Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Stackless Engineer. In this video, I am going to explain you the satisfies operator in TypeScript. The satisfies operator in TypeScript is introduced in the version 4.9 of it. So let us say we want to have a color palette. Let's say we have color red, green and blue, red. And let's say for red, we use the RGB. Red is 255, 0 and 0. For green, let us use the hexadecimal R G B. Okay. And for blue, let's also use RGB, red, green, blue. You may notice that I had a typo in the blue spelling. I'll explain it to you a little bit later. Now let's say we want to normalize the green. Let's say we want the red component of color red. Now you can see that both this works fine. I'm able to get the norm. I'm able to normalize the green and get the red component from the color red. But we have not specifically specified any type to palette. Let's say we want to specify the type to it. Type colors equals to, I can have color red, I can have color green, I can have color blue. And let's also create another type RGB, which should be of the type array with first green component, which would be number, and first would be red component, followed by green, followed by blue, which is also a number. So what should be the type of our color palette? It should be of the type record, because there are two values, pair of values. The first pair is of the type colors and second pair is of the union. It's of the type of union of RGB and also string. You see? So now at first you can see that yes, it caught our typo. That's very simple thing. But the main issue is that now I am not able to get this to perform two lowercase operation, because now it is confused whether green is string or an RGB. To solve this, you can also do the type checking, like if palette dot green dot like you can do this type of string so you can do this. But TypeScript in the version 4.9 has something for us, which is the satisfied keyword operator. So all you need to do is you take this and don't specify the type here, but rather do this satisfied this. So if you do this, in that case, now you'll be able to, like, if this is a string, then you will have all the functions of string, and if this is an array of numbers, then you'll have all the function of numbers. So this was satisfies. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to the documentation, which I will add in the description of this video. Thank you very much.